Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to quickly talk about your Etatron injectors and some troubleshooting tips on if it is clicking but not injecting. Now as always, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure you have the proper PPE on for the chemicals that you'd be interacting with. Once we've got that on, we can go ahead and check our concentrate tank or stock tank and make sure that there's enough solution in there for the pump to be drawing from. Then go ahead and check your strainer or foot filter and make sure that the duckbill seal or check valve is clean and free to allow chemical to pass by. After that, check the hose fittings on all connection points on the pump and make sure that the hose is not flared out. If it is, we can go ahead and cut a fresh tip and reattach. Lastly, we're going to want to check the nuts and make sure they're not over tightened and flattening out the seals and causing an air leak. To go into more detail on any of these processes, check out some of our documents or videos online that talk specifically about how to check and maintenance these items. And for more information, you can always give us a call or message us online. This has been Tom, and thanks for watching.